Hello people, I welcome you all back to my channel Infotainment, and in this video I would be showing you how to prepare a USB stick as a bootable pen drive of Windows 10. Now let us get started. First you have to just Google Windows 10 download, and then move on to the Microsoft website. So I would be leaving the link of the website in the comment section below, or I would also be leaving it in the description below. So you can just scroll down. Here you find download tool now. Just click on it. So as you can see, the tool starts downloading. Once it's downloaded, click on open. So the setup of the tool has started. Using this tool, the pen drive would be created as a bootable pen drive with Windows. So if you are worried about license, the license file is generally not mandatory to use Windows 10. However, after about a few days, about a week or so, your personalization etc. would be disabled, but you can still continue to use Windows 10. Anyways, now just click on accept. It is asking if I wish to install this OS on this PC or I wish to install it on the other PC. So here I wish to install it on the other PC, and therefore I'm creating an installation drive, that is a USB drive or DVD or the ISO file for the another PC. So just you have to just select it and click on next. Okay, so now it is asking you the various language, architecture and editions. So language generally is English itself, and yeah, so I'm downloading Windows 10, and if your processor is a 32-bit, then you can select 32-bit, or else you can select 64-bit. Lately all the computers are in 64-bit processors itself, so I just retain it and just click on next. Yeah, so here as you can see, it at least needs to be 8 GB. So the size of the USB should be 8 GB, and please keep in mind that if any data is present in the USB drive, it would be deleted automatically and it would be made as a bootable drive. So therefore, if you have any important data, you have to back it up somewhere else, and then you have to do this on USB drive. Okay, so here you see that if you want to install Windows 10 Windows 10 on another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. So you can also create partition and run. Okay, so just click on next. Yeah, so please keep in mind that this is the name of your USB drive in which you want to boot. If you have two or three pen drives connected and you end up selecting a wrong USB drive, then that USB drive would be flashed and it would be made as a bootable one. So if at all you have any important data in it, you end up losing it. Okay, click on next. Okay, so now the progress happens automatically. You need not do anything, just sit back and relax until the software does its job of creating the bootable pen drive. And yes, while this does its job, I will show you one more thing. In case you have Windows 10 and it is not updated, you can always click here, or you can also check with if you have Windows 7. I'm not sure if the same feature is available right now or not. Initially when Windows 10 was launched, the people who were using Windows 7 and Windows 8, as the Microsoft stopped sending updates for them, they had an option to freely upgrade to Windows 10. So yes, so that also can be availed if you are currently a Windows 7 or Windows 8 user. I'm not sure if it still exists, so you will have to check with it. So now we are almost at the end of the process. So there you go. Once you're done with it, just click on finish. So now we are done with the basic process of making the bootable pendrive, and now what you have to do is you just have to plug this into the PC in which you want to install the operating system, and then you will have to boot the system and keep on pressing F2 or F10 or escape depending on who the manufacturer is. I think for the Dell laptops it is F2, so you will have to check it online which is the key for your operating system which needs to be pressed to enter into the BIOS. So once you enter there, you will have to enter into the boot sequence and select your USB drive, and then you will have to select it and then just press enter, and then your system would restart, and then the basic setup would happen, and then several times it would reboot on itself and your Windows would be installed, and later you will have to install your drivers of various hardwares like the be it display or microphone or camera and various other things, or even the graphics card and so on, depending on whatever is your hardware requirement, and then you're good to go and use the Windows 10 operating system. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have liked it. Please subscribe for my channel and do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.